Hey guys, welcome to a new Python tutorial, and this video I'm going to show you how to print to the terminal. So first things first is we're going to just open up our IDE. In this case it's Visual Studio Code. So open up whichever one you prefer to use. So here we can easily just click new file, or if you really want to you can locate a folder on your computer and then you can easily just create a file in that folder. But for right now we're just going to go to a folder, which I already have one on my computer, called resources. Let's full screen this, and we can press click new file here, or we can just go right up here and hit the new file button. Now when we're creating a new file in Python, you first give it the name. So in this case it's going to be main, because most main Python files just go by the name main. And then we put a dot, and we are explicitly telling Visual Studio Code and of course the Python system that this is going to be a Python file. So we're going to do .py. That means it's Python, and you can clearly tell right here it gives a Python icon showing that it is, well, a Python file. And then you can easily hit enter, and there we go, we made a Python file. So now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how to print to the terminal, which is a very essential and useful tool when you are coding in Python. So to print to the terminal, just type in print and put the left and right parentheses, and later I'm going to show you what this is, but clearly it says right here it's a function. But later I'll discuss what a function is and how you can create one. But all you need to know right now is that this is how you print things to the terminal. And right now we're just going to print a string, and we're going to call it hello world. That is the most famous and easiest thing you can type in this print statement. And now let us just run this file, and you can run it several ways, but using Visual Studio Code is pretty easy. You just press this button right here and it says run Python file. If you press it, and here it runs in the terminal and it says hello world. So that was pretty easy. You could put literally anything, but make sure it's between these two quotation marks, otherwise it won't work. You could put your name. You could put like my name is Silas. Run that, and it will show right here in the terminal. So that's how you print something in Python. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. If you still have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I will answer those. And if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.